In other news, President Trump's pick to lead the FBI says he would quit if the president ever attempted to impede an investigation. Christopher Wray made the comments yesterday during his Senate confirmation hearing. Former FBI Director James Comey said he was fired after refusing to pledge his loyalty to President Trump. Wray told senators he would also refuse.
No one asked me for any kind of loyalty oath at any point during this process, and I sure as heck didn't offer one.
If the president asks you to do something unlawful or unethical, what do you say?
First, I would try to talk him out of it, and if that failed, I would resign.
Wray contradicted the president when he said the Russia investigation is not a witch hunt. He is likely headed for an easy confirmation.
Senate Republicans say they'll put out a revised health care bill this morning. They want to pass something before next month's recess. President Trump yesterday warned senators not to let their supporters down.
I will be very angry about it, and a lot of people will be very upset. But I'm sitting waiting for that bill to come to my desk. I hope that they do it. They've been promising it for years.
Nancy Cordes is on Capitol Hill with the changes in the Senate bill. Nancy, good morning.
Good morning, and GOP senators are going to get a chance to see the text, including those new changes today. But, Norah, the holdouts we've spoken to say from what they've heard so far, they are not swayed. CBS News has learned that the new draft adds in billions of dollars in opioid funding. It also adds more money to a stabilization fund to help low-income Americans afford insurance on the individual market. And it funds all of those changes by leaving some of Obamacare's taxes on the wealthy in place, like a tax on investment income and a tax on salaries and bonuses for healthcare CEOs. Now, those taxes are a big turnoff for conservatives who already opposed version 1 of the bill, and there's no indication that this new draft addresses the biggest concern for moderate Republicans, which was the deep Medicaid cuts in the first bill that they say will hurt millions of their own vulnerable constituents. There were 10 Republican senators, at the very least, who opposed the original draft of the GOP's health care bill. So far, we've seen no sign of a shift. And, Jeff, leaders need 8 of them to come around if they want to pass a repeal of Obamacare.
Nancy Cordes, thank you very much.